Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Usually, I do not do a lot of saltwater fishing, but I got to do some saltwater fishing in my kayak, and I was just using bloodworms, which might not be that exciting to some people, but it's exciting when you don't saltwater fish very often. So enjoy these clips. I'm not going to include a lot of casting. It's mostly going to be just catching, because there's not anything really exciting about watching a fishing line sit in the water until it gets bit. So these clips will be mostly just catching, but stay tuned, enjoy. Oh, I got a white perch. I know it's not super exciting, I'm just using bloodworms, but it's still fun to catch fish, no matter what you're using. Well, that is not a fish. I don't know if you can see that. That was a blue crab. Oh. Got a fish. Oh, this feels better than what I have been catching. What do I have? Oh, two. Okay. This, to me, this looks like a croaker. But I'm not the best. Oh, yep, that is a croaker. You hear him? I don't know if you can hear him, but this is a Atlantic croaker. I'm gonna let him go. He's very upset with me. And with him, different species of fish. This is a spot. And a lot of people keep them for bait, but right now I'm just releasing. Huh. That is a spot. Tiny guy. Got one. Oh, two actually. Big spot and a little spot. This is another croaker. He's making himself known. This thing hit like a freight train. It's just croaker. And he hit it like it was the last bloodworm on Earth. What is happening? Okay. Okay. Yeah. I'll be right there in just a moment. Oh. That was quite the tug. Makes 4 croakers. This is probably gonna be my last fish of the day. And it's another spot. Oh no, I still have a worm, so I might cast it again. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. I will be back to my regular freshwater fishing in the next video very soon. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.